In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch user on Google Chrome. If you share a computer or you keep work and personal browsing separate, Chrome profiles are the easiest way to stay organized. Each profile has its own bookmarks, history, passwords, extensions, and theme, so switching profiles is like moving to a completely different browser that remembers only what you want it to. Start by opening Google Chrome so you're looking at any browser window. It doesn't matter which page you're on. Now, move your attention to the very top right corner of the Chrome window. Click the small circular profile icon there, the browser's own button. This is the one that sits in Chrome's toolbar, next to the address bar and the puzzle and three-dot menus. Avoid clicking the larger profile image that can appear inside a website like Gmail. That one controls your account on that site, not your Chrome profile. You want the smaller, uppermost icon that belongs to the browser itself. As soon as you click it, a panel opens that shows the Chrome profiles available on this device. You'll see them listed by name, often with a colored badge or an icon. This list represents separate browsing environments. For example, one profile might be set up for work with its own bookmarks and sign-ins, while another stays personal, with different extensions and a different theme. Seeing them here simply confirms what's already been added to Chrome on this computer. To switch, click the profile you want to use. Chrome switches immediately. Depending on your settings, you may see a new window open for that profile, or the current window may change to that profile's color and theme. Either way, you're now browsing as that user. A quick way to confirm is to glance again at the top right. The profile name or icon will match the one you chose, and your bookmarks, extensions, and site sign-ins will reflect that profile's data. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, click the small profile icon at the top right, look over the profiles that appear, and select the one you need. If the one you're looking for isn't listed, it simply means that profile hasn't been added in this browser yet. But when it is listed, switching takes just a single click, so you can jump between work, school, or personal browsing without mixing anything up.